So it looks like I'm finally going to be able to finish this patio. I got this big area back here that I have to get rid of, and I needed Barry's backhoe. And actually it's not the backhoe that wasn't available, it's his truck. This is a pickup truck, but it's a dump truck, which is really cool. And so I need to use the backhoe to lift off all of the dirt and put it in his truck and haul it away. I couldn't do that without his truck. So I thought I was going to have to wait a while, but it's now available this evening, and I'm going to try to get it done before the sun goes down. I'm so excited to get this back patio finally finished. Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. That pile right there, I'm going to get her done. So I'm very glad to have gotten this done.
Yeah.
And it was a real surprise because I didn't think I was going to be able to get Barry's truck and backhoe until sometime a week from now or something. Now that happened last night. All of a sudden he showed up about 7:30 in the evening. He said, "Here it is, you want it?" So I guess it was about 7.
Yeah.
And it gets dark at 8:30, so I had an hour and a half. And the weather forecast was for rain, which would have been last night because this was yesterday, for heavy rain all night and then all day again today. So I was out here shoveling until it was too late to video, and it was almost too late to see because I wanted to get it done before the rain came, because the dirt was still loose because I had just dug it up with the backhoe. So I got it all smooth now. I actually spread some grass seed on there, and then it rained all night.
Yeah.
And now we're supposed to have severe thunderstorms and even possibly a tornado watch.
Yeah, we're actually on a tornado watch
coming
at this point.
in about an hour, and tornadoes happen in Virginia like once every 10 or 15 years. So.
Right. Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So I'm very glad to finally have this done. I still haven't gotten my weed eater fixed to cut the the grass around the retainer wall. But,
It's going to be beautiful when the weed eater is
Yeah.
working and we can get that all trimmed out.
yeah. So you think this is going to work
Yes.
here? One?
Oh,
Yep.
yeah. I'm thrilled to death. It's a nice level spot and the wall's beautiful. I'm thrilled.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching. I know this was a short video. It was an impromptu video. Happened just like that. Fortunately, I remembered to turn the camera on. So
Yes.
anyway, thanks for watching.
You live simple.
Live free. You did that backwards.
Don't I do live simple and you do live free?
I usually start it. I don't remember. That's our thing.
Well, you know, one way or another we get it out.
All right. We'll see you next time. You be blessed.
Yes. I love you guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.